This is Rakesh Jain, founder and chairman of FSL Software Technologies Limited. Ankita, you have asked a very pertinent question. Are customers and their users happily using this software? My answer will be yes. In general, at least 80% of the people, users, are very happy and willingly use this software because it helps them in increasing their sales, profitability, and productivity. However, I will not say that there are no user who is not happy. There are users who are not very happy in using this software, and I can understand them. By use of this software, it brings total transparency into the working of the sales people. At times, some of the people are not very happy bringing transparency in the system. Besides, once everything is documented and is in the system, anybody and everybody in the sales become dispensable. In other words, when I'm making this statement, it's a very big statement. No employer wants to leave his good and performing employees. But no employer is very happy to continue with deadwoods. So the people who have not been performing well have been holding information to their chest by keeping them in diaries and all, feel very uncomfortable disclosing that on a daily basis to the management and getting stored. Once the information gets stored in the system, there is very little possibility to make changes or say, no, I did that yesterday or I did that day for yesterday, because everything is documented. Now, in a scenario where sales mantra is getting used, the person has to answer the productivity of every day, every hour, every minute. In the absence of any software, a person can merge 1 week's work at the time of review. So it is not clearly established that whether the work has been done on day 1 or day 2 or day 3, how much productivity we have been getting from the person. Though the person may be performing, but there might be a possibility that he could have performed more. So due to this, at times we find certain people creating artificial problems, that it takes too much time to write and enter, and it does not help in any way. But I've seen some of our customers, particularly at director level and owner level, they have taken a very strong exception and they have said that software has to be used, and whatever problems are there, please write them down and we'll address them. Once this kind of stand has been taken, we have seen that the software works, and once the user as well as the company, even directors, gets used to using a software, after that it is very difficult for them to work without the software, because it tells you the whole process of sales. It tells you the steps which they are supposed to follow. It reminds you what they are supposed to do in the day with diary planning and all that. It helps you in planning your sales day and establishing your targets and seeing where you are against your targets and things like that. Thus, I may only say that it's not a cakewalk. There may be issues at times, but they have to be dealt with, they have to be addressed. And our experience is that the directors and sales heads who have been able to handle these things initially have been a great success in the long run. I hope, though I've been a little critical, but I hope you will find this to your satisfaction. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the valuable time. We hope to connect with you very soon.